that picture of me blowing my hub?
Right there?
They changing it? Right here.
It's completely different one.
The pictures don't do this justice at all, does it?
No, not at all. No.
Because I've got that frame by frame.
Yeah, this is all bigger than what it pictures.
Yeah. The pictures don't give that 3D effect.
No.
It's like, oh, anybody can claim that. You come out here and it's like, I ain't touching that. Somebody's going to drop in that hole. Look how long that wheel is.
It's crazy. It just lightens out and just keeps on laying.
See, now that's right here where he's going. This is where 90 ran a hole. Dropped over that and was stuck on all fours in the air spinning.
Oh, no.
And if I didn't have that water cap on there, I'd probably get stupid and do it again. But I think that's what stressed that yoke to begin with, because that's the side that I blew that hub out right there.
Probably, yep.
See, Tom will part with this until he does it. And then he'll do it again.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. It's right there when you think you got it.
Yeah, just...
Well, see, that's what 90 Ranaho did in front of me. It just dug big holes on the bottom of his tires.
Yeah.
And actually, RJ was the first one to go through it.
Saying where RJ blew his hub in.
Huh?
Saying where RJ blew his
No. It took him about 20 tries on that.
Teamwork!
You see those tires, it's just big and big and big.
Yep. Yep.
Right back in that hole.
Yep.
Got it.
See, that's what I was doing. I was doing the old search.
Yeah.
Left tire left the ground, and when it came back down,
Yeah. Smelled it, yeah.
And RJ was standing probably where Kevin's standing. And yeah, he comes running up. You blew up, but just happy as shit. Because last trail he did it. Oh, you're taping it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we haven't used Tom for a while. This will make it nice. He'll get through this.
He did that today. We probably sat there 10 minutes and watched him just...
Oh, he digs holes. In fact, I returned from Pismo. I was the one that caught him in the air in that thing. And then right after that, there's another picture of